Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a special video with a very special guest requested by 2 people, aka my family. Drumroll please! Polly, my sister. So Polly, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to be making brownies that I found off the internet, and we're going to see if they work.
Yay! Okay, let's get started. The first step is making some water simmer.
So now we're going to put in a bowl over the simmering water and make sure that it doesn't touch the water. And we're going to put in 1 stick of butter, or half a cup.
Even though that's ugly.
Okay.
Child's eating.
So now
She's eating.
Oh, look at those eyes.
Adding in the chocolate. Looks so yummy. Now we're putting in half a teaspoon of espresso powder.
And now we can start.
Hey!
A few moments later.
That smells delicious. Whisk. So we need the whisk.
Okay. We're getting a whisk.
So let's measure out 3/4 of a cup of white sugar.
Sounds good. We're gonna add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar. The reason it's in the containers is because we do not want bugs to get in. Pro hack. And now, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Any pro cooking hacks from Polly?
Make sure the sugar's dissolved, otherwise you won't get a nice crackly top on the brownie.
Thanks so much. 2 eggs. Now we whisk these eggs into the chocolate. That looks delicious. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now we stir the vanilla right into the chocolate mixture. It smells so good. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision. We're adding how much flour, Polly?
About a little more than a half a cup. About a half and an eighth.
All right. That's what a half and an eighth looks like.
Now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. This is a good one that I love from Harris Teeter.
We love our Harris Teeter. Say hello to our other camera. so cool. And you can see it falling on that screen.
Yep.
That looks like snowy white perfectness.
We need a bit of salt. I'm gonna whisk this together. We are going to add the chocolate mixture in and then fold very lightly.
Any pro cook tips?
Round movements so you get the flour from the bottom side. And don't overmix or your mixture will be cakey. And you don't want that.
Very good to know.
Thank you.
Got some tinfoil in here.
And some cooking spray. So that it's good.
And now for a very nice montage of us putting the batter in.
The bottom is not mixed, never mind.
Ugh. Take two, putting it in. And now we're going to put it in the oven. Perfect. We put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and now we wait. And now for dancing with Mia. Hold up, wait. Flashing lights warning. If you don't like the idea of flashing lights, skip to this time code. Keep enjoying the video. The brownies are done. Let's take them out of the oven. That looks so yummy. Now, cue the slice. So, I just had dinner. The brownies were amazing. And I recommend them with peach fruit cups. Not necessary, but delicious. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified every single time I post a new video just like this one. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!
Okay, ready?
Crouch. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, it's so smooth.
So smooth.
You can't see my face in here.
We are curse.
We are curse words. We are curse words.
We are the curse words, my friends.
friends.
And
Gorgeous.
we'll keep on cursing till the end.
I have mastered the art of closing drawers with my butt. I hope you know that.
That's very interesting, Polly. Any other fun facts?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sugar. The heck? Cheryl breaking into our house.
It's just the fridge.
The fridge is breaking into our house.
So if anyone's wondering, this is our filming setup. Tee hee.
Oh shit, I forgot to preheat the oven.
Oh, yeah, it's like this.
You sound like a rooster.
Yeah, right.